The sneezes, the sniffles, the watery eyes. Yes, allergy season is upon us, but fear not, for there are ways to combat these pesky symptoms. Firstly, over-the-counter antihistamines are your best friends. They block the histamine your body produces during an allergic reaction, reducing your symptoms. Some may cause drowsiness, so be sure to select the non-drowsy kind if you're active during the day. Secondly, nasal sprays can be a godsend. They work directly in your nose to reduce inflammation and keep your airways clear. For best results, start using them a few weeks before allergy season begins. Finally, environmental precautions are key. Keep windows closed during high pollen times. Regularly wash your bedding to remove allergens, and consider using an air purifier for added defense. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Consult your pharmacist for personalized advice. Allergy season is bearable with the right tools and knowledge. Breathe easy, friends.